You guys are a bunch of fucking shit.
Oh, I have the key.
I need the drink. You have the key. I need a drink of water.
Hide from the security cameras. Oh, that really sucks. Oh, right here. There's no water. Yo, so low key though, like the machine only takes cash though.
What machine? The vending machine?
Yes, Willie's really thirsty, so. And what we're doing is super fun if anyone cares. That's my full fucking docs. Awesome. Fucking recorded my ID like an idiot. Any copping today though. Alright, cool. Whatever.
What?
No, that was a $5 water. Yo, are you deadass? Yo. Oh, God damn you. You cool bitch.